Today for Tiny Clips, we are going to see how to enable System Restore Point in Windows. Open Control Panel, go to System and click System Protection. First, let us understand the importance of enabling System Restore Point. When you are installing a software into your system, it may do some changes to your system. These changes may lead to system malfunction or may affect your existing softwares. However, not all the softwares will cause issues to your system. Even it happen, there may be a valid reason for it. So we cannot blame the new software for the issue caused. However, we need to find the solution for the issue, or we need to get rid of the issue by revert it back to working stage. This is where the system restore will help you to bring your system back to normal. To enable system protection, select C drive under protection settings and click configure. Click turn on system protection and apply. You can set maximum disk usage as well. Now you have enabled system protection successfully. In future, when you install a software, it will automatically create system restore point before the installation. However, not all the softwares will not do this. In such case, you have to create it manually by clicking the create button. Enter description and you are done. Now you can start installing your new software. To do the system restore, click on system restore button. You can see the list of restore points created manually or by the installed software. Select your correct restore point and finish. Your system will restart automatically and you will get a successful restore message. Now you will notice the new software you have installed will not be there and your system will work fine as before. Thank you for watching.